This 9-foot service body from K&K Manufacturing includes master locks on all compartments and a white powder coat finish so it will be field ready for years to come. Special features include a C-Tech drawer box, a power inverter, and 2 external power outlets. On the front of the service body, we've also added a headache rack to protect the cab, and the entire cargo area has been coated with a spray-in bed liner for the ultimate in protection and longevity. The rear features custom fabrication of a heavy-duty vise bumper with a Wilton vise and 2 rubber steps. Get in this one today and get going to the job site.